Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in Honor Play 11 Plus. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.